Hi again, everyone, and welcome back to the English Danny channel. I'm Teacher John, and I'm here to help you become great at learning English. Our topic today is going to be discussing the word yet. All right? And actually, there's a lot of different meanings to this word, and we use it in also a lot of different ways. All right? So make sure you stick around to the end to make sure that you learn all of the different ways that we can use it. Let's get started. All right, so the first use of yet that we're going to talk about in this video is emphasizing contrast. Okay, contrast is when two things, or can be multiple things, but usually when we are speaking English, it's two things, are very different. Okay, so we want to show that they are very different. Okay, and really we use yet to show that something was surprising, usually based on previous information that we have. So, for example, the sky was full of dark clouds, yet it never rained. All right, so in this sentence, it never rained is the surprising information. Why? Well, because the sky was full of dark clouds. Second sentence. The man told many jokes, yet nobody laughed. All right, so again, in this sentence, nobody laughed is surprising, right? Because the man told many jokes. All right, so the second use of yet that we are going to learn today is how to use yet in non-assertive sentences. And non-assertive sentences are used when we are not saying something that is true. There is no fact of information in the sentence. So they're often questions. All right, so let's take a look. For example, did it rain yet? Is he here yet? All right, let's take a look at our third use of yet. And our third use is as a indefinite time adverb. Okay, and so we can use yet as an adverb, and we use it usually with the present perfect tense to mean at some time or any time up to now. Okay, so any time before right now, we can use the word yet. Okay, that's why we say that it's indefinite. So, for example, have you seen the movie yet? In this question, a person is asking if you saw the movie anytime before right now. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. In this sentence, this person is explaining that they did not eat breakfast at any time before now. So let's take a look at the third use of yet in today's video. And our third use is after superlative adjectives. Okay? And if you don't remember, or if you don't know what a superlative adjective is, there are words like hardest, best, worst, or even something like most delicious, or something like that, okay? And yet, in these sentences, also means time up to now. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples. For example, this is the best day yet. Okay, and this sentence means that today is the best day for any time up to now. Okay, the best day yet. This is your most delicious meal yet. And in this sentence, someone is explaining that this meal is the most delicious up to now. Okay, before any time now, this is the most delicious yet. And let's take a look at our fourth use of yet, which is to say that something is expected in the future. Okay? And we usually use yet together with the word not. Okay? So let's take a look at some examples. Okay, for example, someone asks a question. Is Sarah here? Not yet. This example means that right now and in the past, Sarah is not here. But in the future, maybe she will be here. Okay? Not yet. So up till now, she's not here. But maybe in the future. All right, everyone, and that's our video for today. Make sure that if you really enjoyed this video or found it useful, that you subscribe to our channel. It helps us out a lot. And hit the like button. That also helps so much. All right? Thanks for tuning in to the English Danny channel.